In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Invoice from Google One. We will walk through the exact path inside Google Wallet so you can grab a proper tax invoice for your Google One payment. First, open your browser and search for Google Wallet. Type Google Wallet into the search bar and press Enter. On the results page, you should see an official Google result that mentions Google Wallet with the familiar multicolor Google logo. You might also see links mentioning payments and subscriptions, which is expected because Google One billing is handled through the same payment system. Once the results load, click the correct Google Wallet link and sign in if prompted. If you are not already signed in, you will see the Google sign-in screen where you can pick your account or enter your email and password. Make sure you choose the same Google account that you use for your Google One subscription, otherwise your Google One payments will not appear later. When the sign-in completes, you will land on the Google Wallet area tied to that account. Now look for your payments profile and click the arrow out icon at the end of the payments profile. This icon usually sits on the right side of the row, and it looks like a small arrow pointing out of a box. Clicking it opens the detailed view for that payments profile rather than changing any billing data. If you have more than one profile listed, such as for different countries, be sure you use the one where your Google One plan is billed. With the profile view open, click Activity and click on the payment made. The Activity section shows a list of recent charges and purchases on that Google account. Look through the list for the Google One payment you want, which will usually show the Google One name and the amount charged. A common mistake is clicking the wrong month, so double-check the date to match the invoice you actually need. After you click the payment, a right sidebar will open with the transaction details. Here you will see information like the merchant name, which should show Google, the amount, the date, and the payment method used. This panel confirms you are looking at the correct Google One charge and not some other purchase. If you scroll slightly inside this sidebar, you may see more billing details and tax information, depending on your region. Next, click Download VAT Invoice or Download VAT Receipt if available in your tax region. The button text can vary, but it will include the words Download and VAT. When you click it, your browser will start downloading a document file, usually a PDF, that contains your formal tax invoice for that Google One transaction. You can then open that file to view or print it, and it will show line items like tax amount, billing address, and transaction ID. You have now downloaded an official invoice for your Google One payment through Google Wallet, ready for your records or your accountant. If this helped you grab your Google One invoice, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more clear Google how-to guides.